Okay, in this segment we're going to cover adjusting the intake valve, cylinder number 3, part 1. We just completed rotating the crankshaft 180 degrees, and if I haven't noted it before, the rotation is counterclockwise on this Honda engine. Sometimes I just take it for granted that everybody knows that. Most of them turn the opposite direction. And I'm going to repeat the procedure. Once I've got it broken free, get the proper shim. Always between the camshaft and the rocker arm, because the actual adjustment is on a cap. Okay, we got some difficulty there, so we're going to have to loosen this up just a little bit. Okay. And once I've got the correct snugness I'm after, I'm going to hold that center slot still, tighten down the retaining nut, insert that in and out, make sure we got proper drag, and that clearance feels good. And that'll conclude adjusting the intake valve, cylinder number 3, part 1. Please watch our next segment on adjusting the intake valve, cylinder number 3, part 2.